As we have completed with defining, modeling and assigning part, now let's get started with the analysis part. Okay, as of now we are currently working on the model 2. Okay, so let's get started with the analysis part. So here in this menu bar there is the option here of the analyze. After doing all this step, then only we are proceeding with this analysis part. Just click on this analyze, and first of all, before run analysis, we have to check for the model. So just click on this analyze, then check model. After that, the window will like this will open up the check model. Here we have to check for the two length tolerance for the check, that is the 1 mm and the 10 mm. First of all, we have to select all of this, select all, just select this joint story assignment also, and first of all you will be checking for this 1 mm. Just click on OK, and it will run the analysis. You will be able to see here the analysis is run here. Then after a warning like message will shown here, model has been checked, no warning message were generated, means and then just click on close, means whatever the step we have done till now are been perfect and the model is right. Okay, then how to proceed further? To proceed further, we go to analyze. Now after once again we check it for the 10 mm tolerance, then once again go to analyze, check model. Here in the length tolerance for the check, put here as the 10 mm, and here the fix here select all of this and just click on OK, and it will run once again, and it will show like a warning like this, that is model has been checked, no warning message were generated, means model is okay. Then after, what will we do? Then we run the analysis. Here is the fastest way. Here it is the option of this run analysis. Otherwise it is present in this analyze, and here choose as the run analysis. Okay, for this model we are going for this gravity load only, right? Then after it will run analysis, and you will see there the results of it are been working on, and you can see that the analysis has been done, and you can see that the displacement with respect to dead is being shown like this. Okay, as you see here carefully, when I move here like this in the, let's say I will go into the elevation view. Here go to what E, just click on apply. When I want, if I want this E grid, D grid, with respect to it, it works. Okay, so I am just want to know the deflection with respect to this E grid, so it will show this plane E, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. Okay, just click on OK, and it will closed. And as you see that this part is called as sagging, the downward part is called as sagging, and this is the one-way slab, so its deflection is more. Okay, now we will move on to our 3D mode only, and see the further step. As you see here, there is a option here present as the start animation. Just click on it and you will see the different types of the result. Just click on it, and it will run the analysis. It will take some time. As per your model size, it will run properly. As you see here, the analysis has been started, and by choosing here, it changes its speed. As I scroll down back here, it has slowed down its speed, and when I increase this to here, it has started to the analysis with a faster result. Just click on this stop analysis, stop animation, and it will be regained to its original position. Okay, then after we will be this is the one way of seeing the analysis with respect to dead. How to see for the live? Here it is the option, second option, and it will run analysis for the displacement with respect to the live. Same way for the floor finish and ceiling plaster, and same way for the wall load. Like this it works. Okay, as you see here for the displacement only. So basically this is how the animation works. Now we will see the three cases of this run analysis.